animals that are arboreal are those animals that live on the trees. For instance, the birds, the monkeys. You see them, they spend most of their life on the tree. So let's take a closely look at the options we have here. We have squirrels. Yes, squirrels live on trees. So the correct answer here is squirrel. Squirrel. Duck is water. They swim in water. So this is wrong. Pig too is wrong. And rat is also wrong. So the only correct answer here is squirrel, because squirrels live on tree. Quick note, don't forget, anytime you hear the word arboreal, we know we have aquatic, which duck is. Duck is aquatic. Animals that live in water. Terrestrial animals, they live on land. Sometimes pigs, some pig also live in water. They can swim in water. So, but we have, it's mostly terrestrial. Terrestrial, they live on land. Same thing with rats. So rats can sometimes climb up to the trees, but they are not arboreal animals because most of their lifetime is spent on land. So this makes them terrestrial animals. Question 20, which will be the last question we'll be taking for today. The last question we'll be taking for today is question 20. Question 20, which says, the movement of sugars from leaf to other parts of plant is A, B, transpiration, C, transportation, and D is translocation. Translocation. Okay, the movement of sugars from leaf to other parts of the plant is A, glutation, B, transpiration, C, transportation, D, translocation. The correct answer here is translocation. What is translocation? Translocation is the movement of food from the part of the plant. Sugar here is food. The movement of the food from the plant to other parts of the plant, such as the roots, the stem, the leaves. That is translocation. Glutation is the escape of excess water droplets from the leaves, and it happens at night for glutation, the process in which liquid water leaves the part of the leaves, and usually happens in the night. Then transpiration is the release of water from the stomata of the leaves to the atmosphere during the daytime. So transportation here is even out of it. This is just a general English term referring to movement of goods and services from one place to another. So it has nothing to do with this concept, the movement of sugars. So the only correct answer here is translocation. So this brings us to the end of today's class. Remember to always like, comment, and even share the videos so that you'll be getting more updates from us and more exam tips from us. So before I round up, let me quickly give us a recap of what we have done so far. We talked about the part of the urinary, part of the male reproductive system that is referred